Here we have a 2016 Ford Ranger WILDTRAK 4x4 DCB TDCI. Now with this vehicle you do get the 20-inch alloy wheels finished in black, all in excellent condition, as you can see just there. We've got the Panther black exterior paintwork on this vehicle, and as you can see it's all stealthed out, and how fantastic does that look. You've got the wide arch kit on this vehicle too, which again looks absolutely fantastic. The amount of presence this thing has on the road is unmatched. Black Ford badging on the front just there. You've got the front mounted light bar as well as the nudge bar. Light bar on top of the vehicle as well. Coming around to this corner you'll see your colour coded wing mirrors and door handles. Black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. You've got the black roof rails on top of the vehicle as well. Taking a closer look, we've also got the metal side steps, and again how fantastic do they look. Coming to the rear, there's a closer look at your third 20-inch alloy wheel. You've then got the mountain top load cover at the rear, LED rear lights as well, which again look absolutely fantastic. We've then got the Akrapovic exhaust tips just there too on either side, tow bar in the centre, and there is a look at the rear of the vehicle. Now coming to this side, you'll notice that the car itself is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and let's go have a look at the interior. Starting at the rear, we have got the full black quilted leather interior, and how fantastic do these seats look. You've got the fold down armrest in the centre, 12 volt connectivity in the middle just there, storage pockets behind the front seats, brushed metal handle, electric window controls and integrated speakers on the doors. Going on to the front now, we've got that same full leather quilted interior, and again how fantastic does this interior look. Now I'll just pull the key out to stop that beeping. There we go. Unlock and lock button, brushed metal handle, electric window controls with child lock for the rear. We've also got the electrical adjustments for the driver's seat just there too. Auto lights can be found on your right, power folding electric wing mirror controls just beside. Now I'll just put the key in and start the vehicle up. Foot on the clutch, turn the key, and we are away. Now as you can see we've got the multifunctional steering wheel, and how great does this steering wheel look. It's flat bottomed as you can see just there. Different controls like speed limiter and cruise control. You'll also note that we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard, and the vehicle itself has covered just over 66,400 miles. Now coming into the centre, you've then got your infotainment screen with things like phone connectivity, satellite navigation. You've then got different forms of media connectivity as well. If we go into navigation here, there you go. And then if we go onto media, and then you've got your different sources, so AM, FM and DAB radio, CD, USB, Bluetooth audio, SD card, and you've got your auxiliary connection just there as well. You've then got your temperature controls, which you've also got as physical buttons down below. Heated seat controls for both front passengers, and it is a dual zone climate, so you can control each side of the vehicle's temperature independently. You've also got your stereo controls just above as well. Now put the vehicle into reverse, you'll see your reversing camera as well as a visual display of your rear parking sensor as well. Coming down, you've got two 12 volt connection points. You've then got two buttons just there for your LED light bars. You've also got the auxiliary, SD card and two USB connection points down there as well. Start stop technology, hill descent control, traction control. You've then got your 2 high, 4 high and 4 low driving modes for off-road usage. You've then got two good sized cup holders, handbrake, got that same soft touch leather armrest which does double up as storage. As you can see there, you've got two different sections there for whatever you may need. Now the vehicle is ready to drive away today with free next day nationwide delivery, competitive low finance, fresh service, fresh MOT, and it's also HPI clear. That is all from me on today's video. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this Ford Ranger WILDTRAK. Now the purpose of this video today is to show you that the car drives exactly how you would expect it to. For example, now I'm not having to wrestle with the steering wheel to keep the vehicle in a straight line. I'll also go through some of the vehicle's features and demonstrate that they work exactly how you'd expect. Now starting off, we have got our cruise control and speed limiter on the steering wheel just here. To activate cruise control, I'll press the cruise control button, press set, and we're now cruising at our current speed. Very easy to adjust that speed with the plus and minus button, and then to deactivate we can simply press cancel or apply pressure to the brakes. We've then got our gear changes, so I've just gone from 6th to 5th, down to 4th, and then as we slow down into 3rd, go back up to 4th, into 3rd again as we approach the roundabout, down into 1st. Now, as you could tell through those gear changes, completely seamless transitions, no jerky motions, no unwanted sounds, all working exactly as you would expect. Now, there are plenty of great features to talk about in this car. Of course, on the infotainment screen, we've got features like satellite navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth phone connectivity, so plenty of ways to listen to your music and connect your devices. We've then got the incredibly comfortable leather quilted seats, which are also heated, and the driver benefits from the electrical adjustments there as well, so it's incredibly easy to get comfortable in this vehicle as well. Now, here at RS Car Sales, we have been doing deliveries for the last 3 to 4 years, as well as offering free next day nationwide deliveries for the last 2 years as well. We're a 5-star dealership too, so if you look online you'll see we've got over 300 5-star reviews on Google and Autotrader alone, as well as many others on other car sites like Car Gurus. So if you go online, check out these reviews, you'll see that our customers really do reiterate the fact that we are a dealership that cares. We really do want you to have such a good buying experience from ourselves that you would recommend us to your friends, to your family, and even come back to us when the time is due for your next vehicle purchase. Now, you can find us on social media as well. We are on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and TikTok, so make sure to follow us on any of those platforms to keep up to date with all the latest stock we get in and see what we get up to at RS Car Sales. Now, just up ahead, I'm going to be taking a right turn into the industrial park while I perform an emergency brake, put the vehicle into reverse and then drive over a speed bump, just so you can see the vehicle being put through its paces a little bit. So we're just turning in now. Emergency brake first, which I'll perform in 3, 2, 1. Very sharp on the brakes there, no problems at all, straight into reverse. Again, we've got our reversing camera on the screen as well as visual display of our sensors, all working exactly as you would expect. Now, last test. There we go, over the speed bump with no knocks or bangs throughout this entire journey, which of course you would be listening out for if you were here with me today. So this is usually where you'd be extremely happy with the vehicle. You'd want to come inside, see what kind of deal you could work out. Obviously you're not here at the moment, but do feel free to get in touch. Part exchanges are welcome. Just let us know the make, model and condition of the vehicle you're wishing to part exchange, and if there is anything we have missed in either the online photos, video walk around or this video test drive, again feel free to get in touch and one of the team would be more than happy to help you out. That is all from me on today's video. I hope you found this useful and we'll hopefully hear from you soon. Cheers.